Hello everyone, with this Republic Day demo we are ready to scale level 5 off-road autonomous driving technology for both the civilian and military applications. This is the first time in the history of SOI that we are going to put our autonomous vehicle off-roads without a safety driver. In the previous demo for the new year, we had done on-road demo without a safety driver in our manual transmission vehicle, and this is our autonomous vehicle with automatic transmission. And we are going to perform adversarial stochastic traffic negotiation, where the task of the vehicle will be to follow this trail, this off-road trail, and avoid any static or dynamic obstacle that may come in its path, including performing autonomous dodging, where the responsibility of collision avoidance solely rests with our autonomous vehicle. So let's move forward with the demo. So today we are going to do off-road autonomous driving without a safety driver. This is the first ever demonstration in the history of SOI without a safety driver off-roads. Prior to this, we had done one demo on roads without a safety driver. So here the task of the vehicle is to follow this trail and avoid any static or dynamic obstacle that may come its path. For example, as this vehicle is parked over here. So as we scale, we are ready for off-road level 5 autonomous mobility for both the civilian and military applications. And with this demo here after, for Republic Day, we are ready to serve the armed forces and help modernize the armed forces in whatever capacity we have. So one can see this truck is coming from the wrong side, and the vehicle negotiated this dynamic obstacle successfully. You notice, like most of the companies globally working on off-road autonomy find it hard to negotiate obstacles, and as we discussed earlier, there are no rules embedded in high definition, high fidelity maps of the environment, so there's no preemptive sort of mapping of the control actions the vehicle can execute on roads. The vehicle has to demonstrate pure level 5 intelligence to actually negotiate adversarial, stochastic, and sort of chaotic traffic off-roads. So the vehicle is supposed to navigate this off-road trail autonomously from start position to its end position, that too without any safety driver. As one can see, there's a tractor coming from the opposite end, from the wrong side of the road, and the vehicle navigated and negotiated successfully. So this was to create adversarial traffic scenario off-roads. Typically, autonomous vehicles sort of encode a lot of information, the high definition, high fidelity maps of the environment. But with off-road autonomous driving, there's no provision of encoding such information at any high fidelity map layer, and the vehicle has to demonstrate pure intelligence, the level 4, level 5 capabilities to be able to sort of negotiate the adversarial traffic dynamics, the traffic that may come from that may behave very erratically, very randomly, and very adversarial in nature as well. So there's a dog, the vehicle slowed down for it and deflected it at the last moment. So since it's the first time we are doing generic off-road autonomous driving without a safety driver, and this is the second demonstration in Swiat Road's history without a safety driver, we have kept the entire public in loop as to like what we are doing over here, so it's very safe as well. And our team members are actually present every few meters on the ground to warn anyone coming from their direction that there's an autonomous vehicle operation going on over here. I'll now end this demonstration, and this is the end of our trail. So as we discussed previously, we are doing autonomous adversary stochastic traffic negotiation without a safety driver, that too off-roads. This is the first time in the history of Swiat that we are doing off-road autonomous driving without a safety driver present in the vehicle. And the vehicle is also going to perform autonomous dodging. That means like there's possibility that our team members may cut the path of autonomous vehicle at random, and it's the sole responsibility of the autonomous vehicle to actually avoid collisions, do obstacle negotiation without necessarily coming to a complete halt, that too without the presence of a safety driver on board. So as one can notice, this biker is probably coming from the wrong side, and the vehicle is going to perform, because there was already a room for the vehicle, so not much of an avoidance maneuver. There's another vehicle coming from the wrong side, and you can see like there's a bi-directional traffic negotiation off-roads. I mean, I think we are the only startup in the world who has the capability to ensure sort of bi-directional traffic negotiation off-roads. This is a capability that we demonstrated first in October 2013, and over the years we have perfected this ability not just on roads but also off roads. And off roads, as we discussed previously as well, a vehicle has to have like the level of sophistication and intelligence to be able to perform maneuvers like these. There's bi-directional negotiation, with the traffic coming from the wrong side of the road as well. So creating these adversary stochastic scenarios for autonomous vehicle. So with this demonstration I mentioned previously as well, we are ready to scale our level 5 off-road autonomous driving technology for both the civilian and for military applications, and perhaps you look towards modernizing the armed forces as well. Traffic coming from the wrong side of the road. The vehicle avoided successfully. So as opposed to on-road autonomous driving, as we discussed earlier as well, so as opposed to on-road autonomous driving, as I mentioned earlier, there may be provision, with autonomous companies using high definition maps, they may be able to use sort of embeddings in the high definition maps of the environments, but off-roads there's no provision of such embeddings, so the vehicle has to demonstrate onboard intelligence to be able to negotiate such traffic scenarios. So with this Republic Day, we are ready to sort of serve the armed forces of the country. So in this demo, I have a safety switch over here. In case something goes wrong, I may just press this. So I may not be able to overtake the steering, but I can press this switch and the vehicle will come to a sort of full halt. here with team members sort of stand in front of the vehicle, and the task of the vehicle is to avoid him. I'll just stop the demo over here. So in this part of the demo, we are going to increase the stakes even further. We are going to have no human being inside our autonomous vehicle, which is going to follow this trail off-road autonomously, avoiding stochastic adversarial traffic on roads.